Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your cellular data. So if cellular data not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here cellular data or mobile data. Just try to turn it off, wait for a second and just turn on again. So another thing you can try to open cellular data options and just open voice and data and just try to switch to 3G and after to LTE again. Or you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So another thing you can try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.